Welcome back. Today I will be guiding you through a nice gentle meditation for sleep. So all you need is some comfy clothes, a comfy space. If you want to grab a bolster or even a pillow if you have one at home, feel free to. We're going to take our torso over the bolster or pillow so we're more expanded through the front of the chest, and then we'll set up for our meditation geared towards sleep. When you're ready, meet me down, laying on the back, either on the bolster or flat on your mat. We can even do this in bed if you wish. And once we are laying down on the back, just allowing the toes to roll out to either side, palms facing upward, and then eyes completely closed. Allowing the front of the chest to expand, shoulders to soften, and just grounding down into your props, your bed, or your mat beneath you. And we'll begin to release any tension through the toes, bottoms of the feet, tops of the feet, or ankles, softening the shins, calves, and knees. Begin to soften the upper thighs, letting go of tension throughout the quads, outer hips, hamstrings, and inner thighs. And then bringing your attention towards the pelvis, softening the front, sides, and back of the pelvis. Therefore, releasing the hip flexors, lower abdomen, and the glutes. Let the entire lower half of your body be extra heavy and rooted down. And then beginning to soften lower abdomen, mid-abdomen, and upper abdomen. Softening muscles of the chest and rib cage, releasing the pecs, softening the intercostal muscles, which is the space in between each and every rib bone. Allowing the collarbones to soften and widen across the chest. Releasing muscles of the front of the neck. And now slowly shifting your awareness to the back of your body. Releasing lower back, mid back, and upper back. Gliding the shoulder blades further down the back body. And then slowly releasing muscles of the back of the neck. And letting go of tension through the upper traps. Now shifting our awareness towards the arms, allowing the biceps and triceps to be heavy, softening the elbows, relaxing intrinsic muscles of the forearms, wrists, and hands, allowing the fingers to slightly curl in. And then drawing your attention from fingertips all the way back up to the front of the shoulders, softening front, sides, and back of the neck, unclenching the jaw, releasing the tongue from the roof of the mouth, softening the forehead, and relaxing all facial muscles, and allowing your thoughts to drift away. There's nowhere to be. There's nothing to do. Taking this time to fully rest and recover. Allow yourself to drift off to a nice peaceful sleep. Completely letting go and finding deep rest. Thank you so much for joining. Stay as long as you need. Namaste.